Hey guys, in this video we'll see how to install GCC Compiler and Blocks IDE so that we can write and execute our C programs in upcoming sessions. So let's start. To download GCC Compiler, we go to sourceforge.net/projects/tdm-gcc. I'll add this link to the description so you can directly go here and click on the download button. You just click on the download button and download will begin in 5 seconds. I'll just cancel this because I have this downloaded already. Then for code blocks, you go to codeblocks.org. There go to downloads, download the binary release, pick up the latest one. I'm using Windows, I'll pick up the Windows one. You have the other releases also for other platforms. I'll go to SourceForge. Here also the download starts from the SourceForge site. Okay, I'll cancel this download. Now we have let's say downloaded both the installations successfully. Now just double click this file which we downloaded recently. Start. Okay, it says create. You don't need to download anything, just disable this, check for updated version, say create. Next, make sure what directory you install it in. You just remember this directory. I can just copy it, just say it's not empty, it has something because I had already installed it earlier, so it takes some time to install. You'll see the screen after installation. Just click on the next, then you are done. You don't need to see readme as of now. Now click on code blocks. We'll install code blocks also. Click on next. You must agree. Install. It doesn't exist, continue, and this will install pretty fast. It asks you whether you want to run it right now. I say yes. Okay, the installation is complete and it's now opening Blocks IDE. You find little weird thing, this icon in the taskbar keeps on moving for a long time. IDE is open. To check whether the compiler has been installed properly or not, we will just write one small C program and try to execute it. I'll just take in one file. I'll just first save it. Pick up any folder where you want to save it. Let's say hello world world.c. Here I'll write a small program, hash include stdio.h. Then I'll just put void main. Currently I don't want to return anything to my output window. We'll just say printf hello world. Put semicolon in the last and save this program. To execute this program, you just need to click on the run button. Okay, it has not been built yet. Do you want to build it? Yes, we want to build it. If you see here, it's saying hello world. Okay, you should not have W in the hello. If you miss some settings, then sometimes it might happen that this program would not run, and then you will see exception. In that case, you just need to go to settings, compiler, and here just go to tool chain setting. Make sure whether you find these compilers directly the same that you have given while installation. It will also ask you this to configure this TDM GCC. It will try to populate it by default. If it doesn't, you can set it manually here. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, then please subscribe the channel. Take care.